Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve multiple choice questions of differentiation. See here question is given, let f of 1 is this, f dash of 1, g of 1 and j dash of 1 is given. Then we find derivative of this expression at x is equals to 1. So options are these, find derivative of this, that is dy by dx. So y dash in short we will write derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx. 2 root fx means f square plus g square into derivative of f square 2f into f dash of x, and derivative of g of x square is 2g into g dash of x. So these two we can cancel, ये 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, and we required y dash at x is equals to 1. So therefore it is f of 1 f dash of 1 plus g of 1 g dash of 1 upon square root of f of 1 whole square plus g of 1 whole square and square root of that. Here given f of 1 which is 3 into f dash of 1 is minus 1 upon 3 plus g of 1 minus 4 and g dash of 1 is minus 8 upon 3 upon square root of f of 1 square, that is 3 square, plus g of 1 square means minus 4 square. So which will give us, this 3 is getting cancelled, it is minus 1 plus 32 upon 3 upon root of 9 plus 16 which is this minus 3 and plus 32, that is 29 upon 3, and this is square root of 25 which is 5. This will be 29 upon 3 into 5, it is 15. So the option is correct, 29 upon 15. Y is sec of tan inverse of x, derivative of sec fx into tan fx into f dash of x. So y dash is equal to sec of tan inverse of x into tan inverse of x and into derivative of tan inverse of x. So that is d dx of tan inverse of x, which is sec of tan inverse of x, and tan of tan inverse of x will be only x, and derivative of tan inverse, it is 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is derivative of tan inverse of x. This is what y dash. Now y dash at x is equal to 1 we required, so y dash at x is equals to 1, it is sec of tan inverse of 1 into 1, this is 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, that is 1. Now tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, sec of, this is pi by 4, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 and upon 2, sec of pi by 4, that is 45 degree, is root 2 upon 2, that will give us 1 upon root 2 upon 2, that is 1 by root 2 is the option, 1 by root 2, C option is correct. Question number 3, if fx is this, and out of this which of is not derivative of this function. So all this out of 4 options, only one option is there which is not derivative of the function, and we find out that option. So here f dash of x we find. So sine inverse of 4 raised to power x into 4 raised to power 1 by 2 we will write. Numerator 4 raised to power x and into 4 raised to power 1 by 2. 1 plus this will write 2 square and again raised to power 2x we can write, so that it is 2 raised to power 4x. Now this is sine inverse of 4 raised to power x, and this is 4 raised to power 1 by 2 is 2. 2 into 4 raised to power x upon 1 plus 4, this is 4 raised to power 2x, means 4 raised to power x whole square we will write. Raised to power 2x means 4 raised to power x and whole raised to power 2 we will write. So put t is equal to, see 4 raised to power x is equal to tan theta, we will put 4 raised to power x is equals to tan theta we will put. Then this is sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and which is nothing but sine of 2 theta. This is sine of 2 theta. It is sine inverse of sine 2 theta, and this will be 2 theta. So it is 2 theta. But our theta will be tan inverse of 4x. So this is 2 times tan inverse of 4x, 4 raised to power x. That is what fx, and f dash of x will be, therefore f dash of x is equal to 2 times derivative of tan inverse fx, 1 upon 1 plus fx square, 4 raised to power x square into f dash of x. So into f dash of x means 1 upon 1 plus fx square into f dash of x means derivative of 4 raised to power x. So into 4 raised to power x into log 4. So it is 2 times 4 raised to power x log 4. Numerator is getting. Now 4 raised to power x square will write as 4 raised to power 2x. So this can be expressed as f dash of x is equal to 2 times 4 raised to power x log 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to power 2x. Now as required. So it is this. Again, that means this option is there which is derivative, but we want to find which is not derivative. Then we can simplify it as the same answer we can simplify. It is equal to 4 raised to power x plus 1. Can we write it 4 raised to power x plus 1 and log 2? Log 2. So this is 2 4 raised to power x. It is log 4 will write 2 log 2. Log 4 we write 2 log 2, and denominator 1 plus 4 raised to power 2x as it is, as we required. Now this 2 and this 2, it will give 4. Multiplication is 4 into 4 raised to power x into log 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to power 2x. So which gives 4 raised to power x plus 1, which is required, log 2 and 1 plus 4 raised to power x. So this option is also derivative. Now we find which is not derivative. Then again we simplify our answer. Here log 2 is required. Now this we write as, numerator we write as 2 square, 4 2 square, and this is 2 raised to power 2x into log 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to power 1 plus 4 raised to power 2x. We'll write 2 square and that is 4x. So this numerator after simplifying will get 2 raised to power 2 common x plus 1 into log of 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to power 4x, which is there d. So therefore we cannot express in this form. The answer cannot be expressed in this form. So this option is the option which is not derivative of this function. Fourth question, x raised to power y raised to power x. So in this form is the, so x raised to power function raised to power function a. So we take log of both sides. So we will take log of this x raised to power y is equal to log of y raised to power x. This is y log x is equal to x log y. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. So we can denote it by 1. Suppose if we differentiate it with respect to x, then y derivative of log x is 1 by x log x. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Right hand side will be x. Derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into derivative of x. Log y derivative is 1 upon y dy by dx. Log y into derivative of x is 1. Y derivative of log x derivative of y. Collect dy by dx term. So it will be log x minus x upon y into dy by dx taking common. Here y log y minus y upon x minus y upon x. Here LCM will be y. So y log x minus x into dy by dx. Right hand side x log y minus y. So that our dy by dx will become y by x into x log y minus y upon y log x minus x. Then here we try to get which option is correct. So we are having this y log x is equal to x log y. So this x log y will replace by the y as it is. X log y we replace by x log y we replace by y log x. So it is y log x minus y as it is minus y as it is. So this we replace by y log x minus y as it is upon x into y log x. Y log x. Y log x we will replace by x log y minus x. Taking y common from this, so that dy by dx will be y common from this. So it will be y square log x minus 1 upon, taking x common from this, x square log y minus 1 log y minus 1. So here clearly we are having this option C, y square into 1 minus log. So taking minus sign common, so we simplified further, minus sign common from numerator and denominator. So it gives y square 1 minus log x, and here x square 1 minus log y. So that we are getting this option, y square upon x square. Fifth question, sine of 2 sine inverse of x. So look at this 2 sine inverse x. So 2 sine inverse x we can express as sine inverse x plus sine inverse x and it is equal to, applying formula, sine inverse of x root of 1 minus y square. So it will be x root of sine inverse of x root of 1 minus y square, means 1 minus x square, and plus again x root of 1 minus y square. So y root of 1 minus x square. So it will be this 1 minus x square, and finally it is sine inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square. So therefore y is equal to sine of 2 sine inverse of x. So that is sine inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square, and which is 2x root of 1 minus x square. Y is equal to, differentiate it, y dash is equal to 2 x, derivative of this 1 upon 2 root of 1 minus x square into derivative is minus 2x, plus root of 1 minus x square, and derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. This 2 is getting cancelled, which is 2 times of, here LCM of the denominator is root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square is LCM of denominator, minus x square, plus cross multiplication will give us 1 minus x square. This square root will be removed. Minus x square and minus x square minus 2x square. So that y dash will be equal to 2 times minus x square minus 2x square, and this 1 minus 2x square upon root of 1 minus x square. This 2 is multiplied over here. Y dash is equal to 2 minus 4 x square 1 minus x square root of, the option A is correct. Question 6, tan inverse of x upon root of, so here root of 1 minus x square, so substitute x is equals to sine theta. So separate, suppose u, and this is what v. So u is equal to tan inverse of, here we substitute x is equal to sine theta, and plus 1 root of 1 minus sine square theta, so which is tan inverse of sine theta upon cos theta. It is root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta, and 1 plus cos theta it is, which is tan inverse of 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 upon 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. This cos theta by 2 is getting cancelled, 2 is getting cancelled, so u will be equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2, which is theta by 2. But substitution is what, x is equal to, इसके बदले हम tan theta रखते हैं, so theta will be equal to tan inverse of x. So therefore it is 1 by 2 tan inverse of x, 1 by 2 tan inverse of x, and the derivative u dash will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon root of 1 upon 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse of x. Further, here this is what v, and we substitute x is equal to cos theta. Now if we put x is equal to cos theta, so therefore sine of v is equal to sine of 2 tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, which is v is equal to sine of 2 tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2 2 sin square theta by 2, and this is 2 cos square theta by 2, which 2 is getting cancelled, tan theta by 2, square root is there. So sine of 2 tan inverse of, this is tan theta by 2, tan theta by 2, it is square root of tan square theta by 2 and it is tan theta by 2. So that V will be equal to sine of 2, this is theta by 2, 2 times theta by 2, theta by 2, this is getting cancelled. V is equal to sine theta, but our substitution is x is equal to cos theta. So this will be root of 1 minus cos square theta, and which is root of 1 minus x square, because cos theta is x. So V dash will be equal to 1 upon derivative of this, 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square into derivative of this minus 2x. So that this 2 is getting cancelled, and when we add these two derivatives, because y is equal to u plus v, so our derivative will be du by dx plus dv by dx. So that du by dx plus dv by dx will give us y dash is equal to du by dx 1 upon 2 times of 1 plus x square, and dv by dx is, this is dv by dx minus x upon root of 1 minus x square. Here theta is not tan, it is sin theta, therefore our theta will be equal to, here sin inverse of x, and this will be root of, derivative of sin inverse x is root of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Substitution is this, x is equal to sin theta, so that it is sin theta upon 1 plus root of 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos theta, sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta we express as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta will express 2 cos square theta by 2. So that this cos theta is getting cancelled, tan theta by 2, and it is theta by 2, but our theta is what? Sin inverse of x, and its derivative is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So it is root of 1 minus x square, and this derivative is minus x upon root of 1 minus x square. So that here LCM is equal to 2 root of 1 minus x square multiplied by 2, so that it will be 1 minus 2x y dash is equal to, which is there 1 minus 2x upon 2 root of 1 minus x square. So C option will be the correct option. Differentiate it with respect to x. So this derivative will be 1 upon x plus y into derivative of this is 1 plus dy by dx. Right hand side will be 2 times x derivative of y plus y derivative of x 1. So 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon x plus y dy by dx, it is 2x dy by dx plus 2y. Collect dy by dx term, so it is dy by dx into 1 upon x plus y minus 2x, right hand side will be 2y minus 1 upon x plus y. Here LCM is, so dy by dx into x plus y, 1 minus 2x square minus 2xy multiplication. Here also LCM of the denominator x plus y, 2xy, 2y square minus 1, x plus y is getting cancelled, dy by dx it is equal to 2xy plus 2y square minus 1 y square minus 1, 1 minus 2x square minus 2xy. Now if you put x is equal to 0 over here, y dash of 0 is required. So if you put x is equal to 0 here, log of 0 plus y will be equal to 0. 2x into y. So x is 0, then right hand side becomes 0, log of y will be 0, that means, but we know log of 1 is equal to 0. So y must be equal to 1. So y must be equal to 1. That means when x is 0, y is 1. So we put here x is 0, y is 1. So this will be 0, y is 1, 2 minus 1 it is. Here it y 1 and this is 0 and this is again 0. So what will be 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 upon 1, that is 1. So D option is the correct option. G is inverse function of f. That means what? G is equal to f inverse. So here we'll write G is equal to f inverse. So that f of g of x, therefore f of g of x will be equal to x, because f of g of x, so here of x, here x, so f of g of x will be equal to x. Suppose we write here x, here we write x, so f of g of x, it is equal to x only. Now differentiating it with respect to x, so it gives derivative of this will be f dash of gx into g dash of x, and right hand side derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is equal to 1. Now what is given here? F dash of x. So here if you replace x by g of x, then it is f dash of g of x, it is equal to 1 upon x we replace by g of x, so 1 plus g of x raised to power 7. So here f dash of g of x, we will write this, we write 1 upon 1 plus g of x and whole raised to power 7, whole raised to power 7. So it is square raised to power 7, it is raised to power 7, and this is g dash of x. So g dash of x, it is equal to 1. Simply we'll take the cross multiplication. So therefore g dash of x will be equal to 1 plus g of x whole raised to power 7, which is there in C option, 1 plus g of x raised to power 7. So g dash of x.